Okay, I wanted to show you guys how good this vacuum is. I just finished trimming up one of my first babies and bathed her. And I'm about to pick this up before she comes out here. So I want to show you guys how good this vacuum is. If you're still debating on getting it, here it is. And look at that. If you're still skeptical, I say get it, because this, for hair, to pick up dog hair especially, girl, it does a really good job. And I'm doing it with my left hand. I'm usually not left-handed at all, but to show you guys how good it is and how well it picks up this dog hair is why I'm doing it. I'm recording with my right hand, but look at how easy it is to use. Again, I'm right-handed, and I'm using it on my left hand. Okay, that's all picked up. Now, here, she's looking at it like, ma'am. And there we go. Super easy, quick to pick up. Missed some, so I'm about to show you this. I definitely recommend it.